Alright, what is up? So, I have not yet seen pretty much any 2020 Can-Am Outlander 570s with your simple LED headlight change. So it comes with these ones here, and they're just yellow and not bright. So pretty much you would think a brand new 2020 Can-Am would come with LEDs or whatever, but it don't. So after doing a bunch of research, and obviously I couldn't find anything online for 2020 yet, so I'm gonna be kind of the first to show you what bulb I'm going with for this 2020 Can-Am. Obviously, I don't have that light, which I don't think any of the 2020s do. But anyways, over here, I got these LEDs here. Should be 6K, and they're from 6061. And I'll put a link in the description for these. I got them off Amazon. I think they were like $30 or something, but we're gonna see if they even work, because I don't know yet. I just got them. So obviously I want to show you how to take the old bulb out. So it comes with this cover, which they had it like zip tied, so that would keep it nice and tight. But take that cover off, right? And then this whole thing here, this harness, I guess we're gonna call it, you just pull that off. It was kind of tight for me at first. It doesn't seem like it should come off, but it does. And they have electrical grease on there. You got your 3-prong. Okay, so the next step pretty much is to take this whole thing, right, and then twist it. You can see where you can twist it right here. Just twist that and pull it right out. And then you'll pull your bulb out of here and place the other one in it. Okay, so I got the one in on this, on the right side, just to show you a comparison of the stock and what it looks like now. So that's the new one, and that's the stock. So what I had to do, and it's kind of stupid, you know, obviously these lights said they were for this quad, but they didn't seat right in the housing. So I had to fucking take electrical tape and put electrical tape around, you know, around this right here. Because obviously this part on this, and the stock ones are thicker. So in order for it to seat without moving around, I had to put electrical tape on it, which no big deal. It's fucking in there, so it's not a big deal. And it's a lot brighter. These are the high beams, I think. Put the low beams on. And yeah. So obviously I ain't gonna be able to tell too much till nighttime. So, but you know, we'll see. But anyways, that's all I guess you need to know about these 2020 Can-Am 570s. These are the lights I ordered. Like I said, I'll put in the description so you guys can see that. And if you, I guess, if you don't care about having to do a little bit of that, then they work. So, yeah. So that's, like I said, I haven't seen any videos on YouTube for this Can-Am 570 2020, so I've decided to make my own just so you guys can have something to go off of. So, yeah. Thanks for watching, and hope you enjoyed it, I guess.